beautiful Virgin's Bay. This is the island of Fatuhiva in the Marquises, one of my favorite spots in the Marquises. As you can see, the scenery is amazing. And that's one of my two rocks with the face in it, if you can see it there. And there's another face that's pretty distinct in that rock too. Those are both natural formations. The island hasn't changed much. There's a little bit more buildup in town. And that breakwater has been added since the last time that I was here. It's late in the season, so there are not many boats coming through here anymore.